डू यू नो एक परफेक्ट एम्प्लॉय कौन होता है? जिसके पास टेक्निकल एंड बिजनेस स्किल्स दोनों हो। डेटा साइंस इज वन सच फील्ड जहां आपके पास दोनों स्किल्स होना बहुत जरूरी है in order to grow and excel. In today's video, I'll share with you tips that will clarify your doubts about data science. Number 1, learn the fundamentals. अगर किसी बच्चे को ABCD सिखाए बिना ऐसे लिखने दिया जाए, नहीं कर पाएगा ना वो। Similarly, it is essential to learn the fundamentals of data science first, which includes statistics, programming, and visualization. Gain knowledge of programming languages such as Python and R and understand data visualization techniques. You can take online courses, read textbooks, and attend workshops to learn these fundamental concepts of data science. Check the first link in the description to know more. Number 2, gain hands-on experience. The best way to get hands-on experience in data science is by working on personal projects and case studies. खुद से जब तक प्रैक्टिस नहीं करोगे तब तक सीखोगे कैसे? You can start by creating a predictive model of a business problem or by analyzing a large data set to identify trends and insights. अगर आपको और in-depth understanding चाहिए about what the job holds for you, internships can also help. एक extra tip दूं, participate in hackathons and contribute to open source projects to gain more hands-on experience. Stay up to date with industry trends. Data science के फील्ड में almost हर दिन कोई नए advancements या tools invent होते हैं to make everyone's work easier. Therefore, it is absolutely essential to stay up to date with the industry trends. शायद आप जो टास्क 1 घंटे में कर रहे हो, उसके लिए ऑलरेडी कोई टूल एग्जिस्ट करता है जो वही काम 5 मिनट में करके दे सकता है and probably with better precision. इससे आपकी efficiency भी increase हुई और workload भी कम हुआ. But unless you research and know about it, there's no point of newer and better inventions. Reading data science articles and blogs can get you all of this knowledge. Number 4, build your professional network. कहा जाता है ना कॉलेज में सीनियर से फ्रेंडशिप कर लेनी चाहिए ताकि एकेडमिक एंड नॉन एकेडमिक दोनों रिसोर्सेज मिलती रहे. Similarly, building a professional network is essential for career growth in data science, or for that matter, in any career. Online forums are another place for working professionals to build their professional network. Just a small suggestion, future में किसी से कोई काम हो जाएगा या कोई हेल्प मिल जाएगा, इस मोटिव से कनेक्शन मत बनाना. Make connections with the genuine motive of getting to know the person and their journey. It goes a long way. By following these tips, you can build a successful career in data science and make a positive impact on your organization. अब ये सब कुछ सुनने के बाद अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है कि आप डेटा साइंस में एक करियर परस्यू करना चाहते हो, then this is the perfect time. I have a course recommendation for the same. You can check the first link in the description to know more. If you have more doubts about data science, you can drop a comment, and for more such content around working professionals, subscribe to Newton School. I'll see you all in the next video.